Display board replacement. Pry open the bottom cover with a tool. Remove the black cover. Disconnect the wires to the bottom cover. Loosen the 4 screws on the door. Open the door slightly and lift it upward with force. Take out this red-white wire. This step is a bit tricky, please be patient. Remove the 6 plugs on the door. Loosen the 6 screws on the door. Remove the inner door panel. Disconnect the wiring harness on the left side of the door. Loosen the 4 screws on the display board. Open the black cover. Remove the old display board. Install the new display board. Install the screws on the display board. Put the wiring harness back. Install the inner door panel. Install the 6 screws and plugs on the door. Put the red-white wire back. Install the door. Press this to components down firmly. Reinstall the 4 screws on the door. Reconnect the red-white wire. Install the black cover. Connect the wires to the bottom cover. Install the bottom cover.